In this demo, let's take a quick look at how DagKnows can help you resolve alerts coming from some sort of enterprise infrastructure or application. Here is a simple demo setup. We have an application running in the Kubernetes environment in AWS. It's being monitored with some observability tools like CloudWatch, Grafana, etc. And these observability tools send alerts whenever something goes wrong. These alerts will be intercepted by DagKnows, which is going to attempt to troubleshoot, resolve the issue automatically by interacting with the infrastructure, application, as well as observability tools. Once the alert is resolved, it's going to create a ticket, either Jira or ServiceNow, where it dumps all the summary of what was done. That way, a lot of these alerts can be taken care of without any human intervention. So let's get the demo. Here is our demo application. It's demo.dagknows.com, our own application running on this cluster in AWS on port 8081. It's listening. And here is Grafana, which is constantly monitoring endpoints in this application. Right now, this rule is enabled and it says everything is great, status is green. Let's disrupt this. We're going to go here and we're going to break something. We will edit the security groups and we will remove port 8081 as if we are changing the firewall and disrupting the connection so that users cannot reach to this demo application any longer. So if I refresh this, you can notice that it's going to time out. It's waiting and shortly it's going to time out. This alert gets evaluated every few seconds. Right now it's green, but after next evaluation, it will turn red. This alert is then going to get intercepted by DagKnows, and it's going to take care of that alert by executing certain runbooks. There you go, alert fired. It is red. It triggers this workflow in DagKnows. Alert comes in, it gets processed. In DagKnows, then we look for the right workflow or runbook to execute to resolve this alert. This is done with the help of AI. We send a lot of information to the LLM to figure out what to do next. And it recommends a particular workflow and starts executing that workflow. Here is the link to that execution. Click this and it will take you to that workflow. So now it's recommending that we execute this workflow and it's already executing it. What does this workflow do? It goes through the problem step by step, checks to see if infrastructure is up and running fine. If not, it's going to fix it. Then it checks to see if application is running fine, checks the firewall rules, and any step of the way, if it finds a problem, it's going to try to resolve it. And it's got a handful of steps, about 14. It's just running those right now. And at the end, it's going to resolve the issue. As a part of this process, it's also gathering some information and plotting it for you for visualization. So as you can notice, it's already finished processing this work. As part of this workflow, it created a Jira ticket. And if I look at the execution results of this, it will give me the link to the Jira ticket here, which I can open. There it dumps a summary saying port 8081 was not enabled in the security group, and now it is enabled, which means the problem has been fixed. So if I go here and try to refresh this, now I'm able to see the website again. If I look at the alert, now it is green. Alert has already been taken care of. If I look at security groups again, by refreshing it, you can see that port 8081 is added back as a part of the resolution. So that's how DagKnows can take care of a lot of these alerts and nip them in the bud. No manual intervention is required, and you can save a lot of time for engineers.